Morning!
That's our boat. Home for the next...
Aboard El Nido Paradise. Home for the next 3 days, but not nights, which is
Oh yeah, even better.
nice. Yes, it's already 32 degrees and it's 9:42 in the morning.
Wow. So ready but not Get ready to get ready.
Lunch was pretty fire actually. I enjoyed it. Lots of fresh vegetables for once. It's been a hot minute since we've had tons of veggies on deck. Yeah, I think we're just gonna chill this afternoon. Sail a bit. Cliff diving I think is
that today?
I don't know, that'd be fun though.
I won't be doing that.
11 meters.
Yeah. Oh no, this place could be poisonous. Yeah. That's the issue. Yeah, that's right. Have you already showed our little area?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, this is our little tent. Just watching the sunset.
Sunset number 1. It's okay.
Sunset number 1. I think
Dog
it's gonna
just
get...
peed on my towel.
Yeah, he hung his
One of
towel
those
up on
days.
the little post to dry, and a dog peed on it, so... Oh yeah, you can't even tell how good the sunset is, but... Kind of. There you go.
Morning! Day 2. We're ready to go. Slept good.
No, you didn't.
It's okay. Sleep when I'm dead. But yeah, we're about to hit up a turtle finding spot. They said the odds were 50-50, but if we came earlier, 70-30. So we'll see how accurate that is. But we're here. Had a coffee. I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah, we'll eat after.
Moved
After
my
we
body
see
a bit,
turtles.
but we're gonna go see some turtles. Look at that forehead. Like the mark on your forehead.
Oh, I was like, what do you mean? We saw 2 sea turtles, and it's my first time ever seeing a sea turtle.
Actually seeing them.
Actually seeing them. The one was huge. The one, would you say the first one was a baby, or?
No, they were both really big actually. The ones I saw in Indonesia were like not even half that size. They were also like 30 meters deep.
Yeah,
so
this one was like, and it came like up to the...
It almost touched Jake. He was just chilling beside it.
Amazing. Amazing start to the morning. Now we're gonna have breakfast.
Breakfast.
Wow.
Snorkel spot number 2, pretty good. I think we're heading to do some cliff jumping now. Probably won't be able to convince Sam to do it, but I'm looking forward to it. I think they said 11 meters, so it should be pretty good. We did see a really cool big blue starfish and a huge puffer fish. That was a great spot out there. Here. I don't know where we're jumping from, but it's beautiful. What's up, Cloud? Boat dog. Hi, buddy. How you doing? How you doing? We're out exploring a little village today. It's about 500 people that live here. We just met a couple of the local children. They're very nice. We might have actually got lost, but just a remote island.
Like Spanish, como esta.
So our chef is here, so let's give a round of applause.
We are at our third and final stop of the day, a shipwreck back there. But they said it's like 5 to 10 meters below, and I can't swim that far down, so I'm not going. But Keega's gone over. Yeah, and I think I am gonna like hop in the water. I'm just not gonna swim over there. But yeah, and then after this, we're in Coron, which is crazy. But we're all exhausted, so I think we're ready to be off the boat. But yeah, anyhow.